The proposed law creates a new category for murder. In short, it's drug-induced homicide. Its goal is to hold heroin and fentanyl dealers responsible for the poison they push that results in death.
This is my son, Scott.
21-year-old Scotty died April 12, 2019.
Poisoned to death by fentanyl.
Scotty's dad simply wants justice.
In my son's case, there was a witness to the sale and use of the purchased drug. Current laws are not effective for charges and prosecution. Drug dealers need to be held accountable.
Legislation introduced Wednesday attempts to do that by creating a new category to charge someone with murder. A conviction carries up to 20 years in prison.
Holding drug dealers accountable who murder their customers using fentanyl. It is substantially different than other opioids and kills with a very small amount.
The Victoria, Scotty, Ashley, and Yaters law is named after overdose victims who died. It has bipartisan support.
These are families who have to live with this loss every single day for the rest of their lives. We can't bring their brother, their sister, their mom, dad, son, or daughter back, but we can take this small step to keeping this poison off of our streets and hold drug dealers accountable for selling a lethal product that results in the death of those we cherish the most.
We believe in drug treatment. We believe in care. We believe in mental health counseling. We also believe we need to put bad actors behind bars. We need to be sure that there are real consequences for these kinds of acts.
However, some who are on the front lines of the opioid epidemic are concerned about the legislation. They say it undermines the Good Samaritan law, even though the bill contains protective language.
Those protections are not rock solid. There are circumstances where someone's going to report an overdose in good faith and still get caught up in a prosecution.
Bill sponsors say concerns about mass incarceration are unfounded. A bill analysis indicates only 8 people a year would probably be charged. Reporting from Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.